Remember the rain and snow we had yesterday morning? If it was all snow, how much would it have been? It's a simple calculation and it would look a lot different out here. So it is fairly simple because all it is just a 10-to-1 ratio. That's a good kind of proxy to use when you're talking about snowfall. Now that ratio can change a little bit and I'll talk about that in a second. But for this past storm system, 10-to-1 works fine. What does that mean? So if you have 1 inch of liquid water to fall from the sky, that would be 10 inches of snowfall. So a big change there. So what we had from this past storm system, we had around 3/4 of an inch of rainfall in Norfolk, around 8/10 of an inch of rain in Elizabeth City, and about a 1/2 inch of rainfall in Melfa. If that was all snow, we didn't have any mixture, we didn't have any ice pellets, it would have equated to around 7.3 inches of snow for Norfolk, or more than 8 inches of snow in Elizabeth City. And for the Eastern Shore, you would have close to 5 inches of snowfall. Now, if the air was even colder, let's say our temperatures were in the 20s or in the teens, then it would be more like 20-to-1. So we would double the numbers. So we would have nearly 14 inches of snowfall. So these are all hypothetical numbers. But again, if all of that rain was snow from the past storm system, we would have had nearly a 1/2 foot of snow across our area. It would have been wild. Now, as we look ahead, we may see some snow into the next weekend ahead on Sunday. We're going to have to watch for that. But sooner than that is Groundhog Day, and we're looking forward to what the groundhog is going to say, or what does it really matter. But if you do want to follow the groundhog's forecast, typically the groundhog has said a long winter 83% of the time. I don't know. Anyway, that's a little extra for you tonight. Enjoy your night. We'll have more on the forecast coming up at 10 and 11. See you then.